Alright, what's up YouTube? It's Jeffrey Rodriguez, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the fastest growing altcoins of 2018. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a video. And also be sure to follow me on Instagram at jrod4, the number 4x. That way you can see what I'm looking at as far as trades real time. I do just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so you should always do your homework and build a storyline and case study before you're ever investing in anything. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with today's video, guys. We are going to be talking about the fastest growing altcoins of 2018. Alright, so taking a look at all of the 7-day percentage growth of all of the cryptos. As you can see, pretty much everything is green. So what that's telling me, without even looking at the charts, is basically that everything is a little bit hyperextended. Basically what that means is usually price would want to trade back down or retrace after having such a extended move up. I am looking at Ripple. So let's take a look at Ripple. If we go on their website, we can see that, first of all, the website looks pretty good. Really cool designs. RippleNet, Ripple connects banks, payment providers, digital asset exchanges, and corporates via RippleNet to provide one frictionless experience to send money globally. Okay, so first let's get one thing out the way. I know a lot of people that are involved in the crypto space don't like Ripple because they don't like banks. And basically, I think anything with banks involved is something that is stable and has structure. And I understand why people would want to get away from the banks and not want the banks to be involved. But at the end of the day, the banks are going to have, a part in it somehow. They're going to be making money on it one way or the other. They're going to be in it making money, and that's just the name of the game. That's how they work. They're I don't think that we're smarter than them, so I think that yeah, I think that the banks will inevitably somehow be involved with crypto, and I'm not really sure what this means too much. I can't say I'm like a crypto expert, but Ripple is sitting underneath Bitcoin on CoinMarketCap and has been here for at least, I don't know, a week now, maybe probably longer. But the point being is it's basically sitting underneath, the top cryptocurrency. So I don't know. To me, that is just a pretty strong belief factor that Ripple has sustainability and will be around for a while. And for me, I'm looking for something that is, yeah, I want something that's going to grow really fast, but I also want something that's going to be sustainable, right? So I can make a ton of money through 2018, but I also want to be able to let some of that money compound over time and make me more money. So Ripple is definitely one of my top altcoins for 2018, and I do believe, I mean, we've already seen tremendous growth with Ripple. We may see a little bit of a pause with price action since it has been on such a huge rise. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chart real quick. Taking a look at Ripple chart, I know you guys probably are wondering where all the red lines and boxes are, but just ignore that stuff for now. That's just the stuff I was marking up. Looking at the chart, I do really like where we are sitting right now. Price did make the high at $3.30, trade back down, find some support at $2.20 roughly, and now we're just consolidating. I do with Ripple going forward, I really want to see what we do at the beginning of the week. I want to see if we trade lower and trade back below 220, or if we can get back above this red line here, which is roughly $3. If we get back above that, I definitely think we're going to go for 330, ultimately $3.50, and probably even $4. That's what I'm looking for, but ultimately with it consolidating right now, I don't really want to say that I think it's going to go higher at the moment, because I could see it possibly consolidating for a bit, because it just has had such a huge move up. I mean, from 20 cents to $3.30 is a huge move, so I definitely could see why they would want to consolidate or pause for a little bit before taking it higher. But nonetheless, I do see it being a top growing altcoin for 2018. And I have one more altcoin that I have been looking into recently, and that is Stellar. So anytime that I'm looking at my cryptos, I always like to go to CoinMarketCap first. Obviously, I don't follow this chart too much because it's a little hard for me to read compared to what I can see on TradingView. I like to be able to actually map out the levels and whatnot that I'm looking for. But whatever suits you. So let's see, taking a look at Stellar's website. Looks pretty cool. Not just if it has a cool website, you want to invest in it. I like to obviously see what their technology is, what do they stand for, what do they offer, are they original, are they just coming into the market with the same thing. Obviously I want to see their team. Alright, so obviously whenever I am looking at a possible trade idea or an altcoin to purchase, I want to take a look at their website, and another thing I want to look at on their website is their team. They have a lot of really credible people. Alright, so this guy helped created the first Bitcoin exchange, sold and recoded by its current owners, followed by Ripple. That seems pretty cool. Computer science from MIT, MBA from Duke. So they have a really big team, and it seems like they have a really credible team. Now let's take a look at what matters, the charts. Alright guys, so taking a look here, obviously like I said, most of these coins have been on a steady rise. Stellar is one of those. We've basically been running from 10 cents to right at $1, just shy of $1.99, 98 cents. It did trade back into a key level of support. It is holding. I still think Stellar is going to hold. If it does trade below this red line here, then I am going to hold off on this. But if it does continue to hold here and not break below this level right here, then I would be looking for ultimately 80 cents, $1, and then $1.50. Breaking this down on an even lower time frame, taking a look at an hourly time frame. I do like how price action looks in here. Once again, this is just consolidating like Ripple is. So going forward, consolidating on an hourly time frame doesn't mean much. I mean, these things are super volatile. You can see how much it's moved just since the beginning of the year. Went from 39 cents all the way to $1. So, I mean, it's super volatile. Just give it some time. It's the weekend. I usually, with Forex, the weekend is a slow volume. So, could be the same for cryptos, but yeah, not really seeing much going on here right now. So, going forward though, these are my two top altcoins for 2018. I do think they will be the fastest growing. They have shown significant growth so far, and I still think they both have a lot of potential based on their technology, their team, their originality, and what they stand for. So that is it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to smash that like button. Also subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.